Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to install Arco Linux 2023 on VirtualBox 7.0. So before proceed to install, make sure that you have updated the latest version of VirtualBox. So this is my latest version. So first step is I am going to create one Arco Linux virtual machine. I am providing the name for that. Let it be Arco Linux 23. Next I am adding the folder path where the Arco Linux virtual machine is going to be stored. Next I am browsing the Arco Linux latest ISO image file which I have downloaded from the internet. So this is the name of the ISO file. So this is the flavor of Arch Linux. You can see that I have selected the vendors as Arch Linux. Okay, so Arco Linux is the flavor of Arch Linux. Okay, so next I am allocating 8 GB RAM and 4 CPU cores. Next 40 GB virtual hard disk I am allocating. Finish it. Okay, once again go to Arco Linux settings, system, motherboard, uncheck the floppy. So pointing device will be USB tablet. So optical drive will be the first device in boot order, and network we need internet connection, so it will be NAT. Okay, so this is a boot menu. I am selecting the first option. Okay, boot Arco Linux XL with open source driver. Okay, so I am selected the first option in boot menu. So it's a welcome screen. So I am running the live DVD, live CD I am running. So I am selecting EC installation offline. You can see that installer, Arco Linux installer is started. So I am selecting American English. Next I am selecting my location. Next keyboard. Next I am selecting my keyboard. Next partitions I am selecting erase disk. So erase disk and selecting swap no hibernate. So I am not using laptop, so I have selected swap no hibernate. Click next. So I am going to create one login user. Okay, so I am going to create one login user. Next provide the name, that is host name to this machine. So I am giving some name. Provide the password to the login user. Next provide the password to the root user, that is administrator account. That's it, install. Only minimal configuration. So everything Arco Linux will take care. So everything is done. Okay. Now I am shutting down the machine after the installation. So once again go to Arco Linux settings, system, motherboard, hard disk will be the first device in boot order. So I am going to boot the operating system from hard disk now. Yes, log into the machine. Yes. So this is a welcome screen, welcome app. Okay, so here I am clicking the button update Arch mirrors. Okay, so update Arch mirrors, provide the password and authenticate. So this step is very important. So mirrors will be updated. Okay, so then only you can download and install the packages. Yes, it's done. Okay, so mirrors are got updated. So don't forget this step. We need to update the mirrors. Okay, next what I am going to do is I open the terminal. So I am running some command. I can able to run the commands. Okay, so I am logging as a root user. So this is the command pacman capital S VirtualBox guest utils. pacman sy VirtualBox guest utils. Yes, now I can able to install. So VirtualBox guest utils is got installed. So it's downloaded from internet and getting installed. Okay, so only a single step, okay, we needed for installing the VirtualBox guest edition. So I am not installing the guest edition from CD image. I have downloaded from Arch Linux mirrors. Okay, so shutdown. Once again, go to Arco Linux settings, general advanced, shared clipboard bidirectional, drag and drop bidirectional, shared folders, shared folder. So I am mounting one Windows OS machine folder as a shared folder to Arco Linux. Okay, reboot. Okay, so you can see screen size is adjusted. So I am opening one text editor. And typing some text. Welcome from Arco Linux. Okay, so I am copying this text and go to Windows source machine. Yes, I can able to copy paste from Arco Linux VM to Windows source machine. Welcome from Windows 11. Okay, copy from Windows and paste in text editor, Sublime Text. Yes, I can able to copy paste. So shared clipboard is working fine for me, but here one thing, I am unable to copy paste from terminal, so I don't know the reason. Okay, anyway I can able to copy paste the content from text editor. Okay, from text editor it's working fine. Okay, now next is shared folder. You can see shared folder is got mounted but unable to open it directly. So what I am going to do, I am going to open the shared folder as a root user. Okay, so open terminal here, login as a root, cd/media. So you can see the shared folder is mounted. Yes, I can able to view the content of the shared folder. So shared clipboard and shared folder both are working fine after installing the VirtualBox guest edition. So you can copy the content from shared folder, or you can copy the content to shared folder, whatever you can do it. Okay, so finally Arco Linux 2023 installation on VirtualBox 7.0 with guest edition is success.